Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Halal Crypto Investing. So we've looked at Hot Protocol. Let's look at another one that is part of the portfolio of 1confirmation. And let's look at something I don't know much about, because that was my main intention of looking at the portfolio of 1confirmation. So Forte, I've not come across that. Oh, interesting. They're part of WorldCoin. There's a lot that's been said about WorldCoin, so I'm going to ignore WorldCoin. But let's look at Forte. What is Forte? So let's do a search on CoinGecko. Do we have anything on Forte? I don't think so. Nothing on here. Let's go back to this crypto and Forte. Let's do this. Let's see anything happening here. Crypto VC 1confirmation raises 125 million for third fund. And I think that's generic. Let's look at other things. Forte is not coming up. So let's look at, oh, here we are, Forte.io. Let's see if this is part of it. Forte.io, we've changed the game. Digital property rights are the next frontier of gaming. So again, this links into the NFT comment about, what is this about? Choose the game. Okay, scroll and down. Okay, building an equitable ecosystem. We believe we are at the forefront of a new technological wave, and blockchain gaming will be even bigger than all the shifts we've seen before. Forte's mission is to prepare all game developers, big and small, whether you already have a AAA title with millions of players or you're building a blockchain game from the ground up, to be successful in this landscape. So linking NFT games and that kind of ecosystem or that area. So that's interesting. So that's one yet to come out. So why interoperability, customizable, compliant, built to scale, connected to Aleo, BitDAO, Cosmos, ETH, Ripple, Solana. Okay, so that just looks like another gaming thing. So this is interesting, something to keep an eye out on. All right, let's go to resources, just scan that. So interesting. Solana Ventures, Forte, Griffin Gaming will invest 150 million in blockchain games. So that's just Forte raises 725 million for compliant blockchain gaming platform. So that's interesting. Let's look at that. What raises 75 compliant game chain? So was that the same link as I saw earlier? Just go back. Did I miss something? Because it says 725. That's 125. So no, it's not the same link. We're thrilled to announce the return of GamesBeat Summit. Forte has raised 725 million for its behind-the-scenes blockchain game platform. So it's a platform which will enable game companies to create blockchain games that are both compliant and interoperable. The Forte deal comes shortly after other NFT gaming companies have hit unicorn status, above 1 billion valuation, like Animoca, Mythical Games, Dapper Labs, Mavis. All those companies are making games based on the blockchain, the secure and transparent digital ledger that enables cryptocurrencies and unique one-of-a-kind items or non-fungible tokens, NFTs. One of the lead investors here was C, owner of Garena, which operates the huge free-to-play game Free Fire. Let me look at the date of this article. Is there a date? So this is an old article, November 2021. So this came out then. And so you can see this was during the hype of gaming. So, yep, they raised a lot of money. You can see some big names here, A16Z and others. So, yeah, there's something to look out for. So that's an interesting one. So that's nice to see. So there's something to keep an eye out on for Forte.